Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip, spread or savory dish made from cooked, mashed chickpeas blended with tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and garnished with olive oil. Let's see how to make hummus. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications on new recipes. To a frying pan, add 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. Dry roast them in a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cool down. To a mixer jar, add the cooled sesame seeds and blend it to a powder and keep it aside. I have taken 1 cup of soaked and cooked chickpeas. Drain the water and add it to a mixer jar with the sesame powder. Add 2 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of salt or to your taste, few drops of lemon juice and blend it. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil to it and blend it to a smooth paste. Then transfer it into a cup and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil on top of it. And sprinkle some chilli powder on it. Hummus looks ready. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and stay tuned for more.